What up? We are back with the 2012 Ford Fusion with approximately 190,000 miles on the body. The engine was replaced about 15,000 miles ago. If you look back in the channel, you look back in the page, you'll see this one again. This is one that we had to get back and recondition. So it's back. And it's back up for sale. We got new tires, new AC compressor, we got new belts, new tensioner, fresh oil chains, headlights have been shined up and reconditioned. What else do we do? Okay, so it does have a little bumper thing. This is common on these Fusions, but the bumper's not gonna fall off. It's pretty common. But then we got this, but we're trying to keep the price low. If I fix that, I gotta charge you almost another $1,000. So we're trying to keep the price low. We got a little bit of clear, fake flaking right here, all right? But everything works. The most important part is everything works. Let's take a look at the inside. This is the back seat. Nice and clean, gray cloth interior. All right, let's go to the front seat on passenger side. All the door handles work. All right, we got your 12 volt right here. You can see it lights up blue. Got your accessory right there. Another one right there with the aux cord on the inside. Got your radio. Let's walk around to the back. A little bit of clear coat peeling on the bumper in the back. All the tires are brand new. Got less than 1,000 miles on them. This is the back seat on the driver's side. A little bit of paint chipping above the door right here. Driver's doors, jump in real quick. Key on. There we go. Let me get that. Got my handsome assistant handing me the thermostat. Just turn the car on. As you see, it's not even warmed up yet. Here's the here's the temperature right here. Still on cold, all right? It needs some fuel, of course. I'm gonna put this right here so y'all can see exactly. So you can see exactly how cool that get right there. Put a little shade on it so you can see. It's cooling it down right now. Right now it's at 80. 75. We're gonna let that run for a second. So while we let that run, radio works. Alright, on that music, you got your aux, CD, AM, FM. This right here is for satellite radio. This right here is for your HVAC. That's your HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. And this goes with that also. This is your traction control right there. It's your fan speed right here. Got your fan speed, hot, cold. Look at that. Where we at on temperature wise? We are already below 60. Let's go out here and hear this engine run. This is the same engine we replaced about a year ago. But we got the vehicle back and we reconditioned it. Found the hood release. All right, there we go. Looks good. No leaks, no rattle, thunder clatter. Doesn't overheat. Shifts smooth. All right. Now we in the dirt now, so if we was in the dirt and it was leaking, you'll be able to see it. No leaks. No leaks. All right. So I'm Chris. It's my son Marcos. We are McMath Autos. We can be reached at 719-8. Damn, what's our number? 719. It ain't 719. It's 404-719-8355. Or add us at McMath Autos on Instagram or here on YouTube, McMath Autos. Even on TikTok, McMath Autos.